hairband updos. So this one is much longer. Normally I put on a cap, but because of time I'm just gonna put it on like this. So let's go this way. I just put my head down and just, it's adjustable. Well, you can make it as tight as you want to. So I'm just gonna do it this tight. I normally wear another band on top of this one because I don't like when comb is in it. So I did many different ways. So for now, I'm just gonna pull mine up in a ponytail. See, it's plenty of hair, then doesn't show anything. Nice and easy. This one is pretty much like the the Cuban Twist but blowout. So this is pretty much that one. You can wear it out if you want, but for me I like it like in a ponytail. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm gonna get a rubber band. I like when my hair is catched up in a rubber band. But then again, I'm not gonna do it down. But for you, I'm just gonna show you how I catch it up like this. And then I'm just gonna show you how I do a plait, like a braid in the back. You know, I'm not doing it like that today, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how it works. So you can also adjust it. I have a big forehead, so I like when it come down. But for those people who have nice flat, nice forehead with nice hairline, don't have to carry it this far. You can even make your baby hair them show. But for me, cause my forehead big, I may not have the hairline like everybody, some of these beautiful hairline that I see out there, but whatever, it's still cute. I'm still gonna rock it, right? Right. So this is it. Like, so I'm not gonna wear it down. Let me trim this part here. I'm just gonna braid it so you can see how it look if you should want it in a nice ponytail. And it's very beautiful. Nice braided ponytail, nice blowout, natural empress look. So I'm here for me going to the people them work. I'm call him and tell him say I'm coming a little late. Because I really wanted to finish this here. So I'm just gonna finish it so you guys can see all the different ways you can do it. I'm just gonna put a little rubber band at the end. But this is so cute. Nobody can't listen. Nobody on the face of this universe can tell me, say, I'm not feeling hear this. Wanna tell me one thing. Like, doesn't it you or what? I didn't even smooth it out. Then if you want, if you have long hair, you can pull out a little twiny and so forth and so forth. But this is, I think it's cute. I'm not so good on the camera and right, so bear with me. But I'm watching the thing, right? And then you can also just roll it up like so. And then I want it down like for my job who not allowed to have our hair down. See? Nice. When I have baby hair on the back and I brush it down, I'm good to go. Right, but it looks so much better with people who have the edges and them just come down nicely. It looks so cute. So guys, support me and we'll be going into business. I'm going to do human hair, any hair that you see like you want to use, I'll be doing it. But just let me know. So this is the new, I call it hairband updos. So the hairband updos, this is what it's going to be called. I'll make to order, so anybody that wants it, I am here for you guys. Any color you want it in, I'm ready.